Hello! Today I'm super happy because I'm going to do something that I have waited a long time to do it, which is to use this. I know everyone have already tried it since a long time ago, but me, I mean every artist, but me. So finally it's my time, so I am super happy. I am going to use it on my sketchbook. I am using a lot recently. Actually, you have watched it on my last videos if you follow me. I am going to paint this illustration. I have sketched something here too, but I think I can paint it because my mistake. This sketchbook doesn't work well with many supplies on the pages, and if I paint it, I will ruin it. So I wanted to paint it with watercolors, but I think I can paint it. Well, I am going to paint this illustration. I'm super happy because I drew it specifically to paint it with these acrylic markers when I still hadn't it. And I have waited a long time since now to do it finally. It's very old, too old already, but I don't care because I still love it. I can see some mistakes that I couldn't identify at the time, but I don't care. I want to paint it anyway with these markers. I don't have idea how these markers work on this kind of pages. I have already tried acrylics and watch here, but not too wet, and of course just a few quantity. I don't know how they will work here. I hope I won't ruin my drawing. But well, they are not too wet, I suppose, but it's a whole page with acrylics. I don't know if it endured it. I hope. Let's see what happens. I bought this acrylic set of 36 colors. This is a sketchbook I bought for the color card because I have my color cards on papers and I want to have them organized on the same place. In this case, a sketchbook. I love the design, it's super pretty. I plan to make here the color card of these acrylic markers and also my alcohol markers. So this will be my color card from now. Look at the colors, are super pretty. I love the package and how the markers look all together. This is the sticker sheets of the numbers of the markers you have to put by yourself. Of course, I have taken the orange tones first because it's my favorite color. I love these markers, look at that prettiness. This is a card with things written on it. And this is the color card. I have already done it. When you see the color card with all the markers together with all the colors, it doesn't seem to be that much, but they are 36 actually. And as you can see, the ink doesn't pass through the paper, so great. And although I said I will try the markers on the drawing and I hoped to don't ruin it, I finally practiced it to do something so fast on other paper with these acrylic markers because I didn't want to ruin it at all. I preferred to try it first. So I did this super brief and without thinking so much, and I like the result too much. Again, on this sketchbook, which is Art Creation Sketchbook, the paper was great with these acrylic markers and the ink of the acrylic markers didn't pass through the paper. Very good, and the result is precious and so clean, as you can see. I loved it so much when I painted this eye, so I began to paint my drawing, my final drawing I mean, with a lot of security and very excited because of the result of this sketch. So, well, I began to paint it. I am very disorganized when I paint. I always begin to paint something and suddenly maybe I can stop painting that part and beginning with another part. Sometimes I change suddenly what I am painting and begin to paint another part. I just do what I feel at the moment, so I'm a bit messy painting, but well, the most important thing is that I enjoy it. And it's exactly what I do. I decided to paint a simple coloring, making the most simple shadows with 1 or 2 tones. To make it simply, and as it's a cartoon image, I thought it will look great like that. And to begin with these acrylic markers, I thought it would be a very good idea, just making it simple. Anyway, in some parts I decided to apply a bit of water with a brush because I wanted a bit mixed effect between the tones. So I used a brush, being very careful because I didn't know how the result of the experiment will be. But I love the result too. Even though this kind of paper is not too much good for wet techniques, as I put just a little bit of water, it will be enough, and the result was great. Also, the paper suffered a bit, so I had to be so careful in that part. I didn't know if it would be better to show it in a real life time or accelerated, so I decided to combine both things. I don't know, I wanted to try to can offer the both experience, and it was actually so funny to do during the edition. It's a very old drawing already, but I don't care. As I said, I still love it so much just because I enjoyed it a lot when I drew it. It's the most important thing, no matter the level you have. If you draw something with heart, the result and that special thing is always there on the drawing. And this kind of drawings can shine much more than drawings with much better techniques on it. Anyway, of course, I'm trying to improve myself and to improve the technique and the way I draw more and more day by day, of course. But never forget the spirit. Never. It's the essence of everything.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day. And it's smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts can align. And it feels so bright, it's like your love has gotten to me.
I decided to add some details with a wet brush, and I love the result too. Just a bit wet, because as I said, if not, the paper will suffer so much. But just a bit wet, the result was great. I am impressed with these acrylics. I understand totally people love them so much. I knew I would love it because I have watched various videos of it and I was fascinated with the results. But to try it by yourself is and to create your own things with this tool you know you will like is another experience. And I love it so much. I'm super excited to create new things with these tools, with these supplies again. I didn't know what to do with the sky, to tell the truth. It was a bit difficult to paint that big area with blue, Anyway, this kind of paper is not done for acrylics or for that quantity of acrylic, so it was a bit difficult, and I wanted to create a bit mixed zone between the two colors of the sky. And with that area, which is so big, to put water on it was a bit difficult because I was a bit near to ruin the drawing on that part, but it was alright at the end, so great. I added some details with gel pens of foxy colors because I added some details with pink and with yellow, green, and also with, of course, white gel pen to create shiny effects. Details which are super important on my drawings, always, especially that white gel pen. For the eyes, but also for the rest of the face, the characters and the blush. And by the way, talking about the blush, I did a blush effect with some colored pencils. Of course, I love to do a bit of blush effect on the characters almost always. Oh, I added some purple gel pen too. I forgot it. The result is pretty cool. I love it so much. It's super clean, even though I painted it a bit dirty because of my lack of experience. The result looks super clean. I added some details, well, in this case, some extra shadows of tones I don't have with acrylic markers, just to don't add more water with a brush, because if not it will be so wet for the paper. So I used some colored pencils for some additional tones to create a big deeper effect on the colors. A bit on the clouds too. One of those clouds was a bit difficult for me because I was painting it again and again to see what shape would look great on it. The rest of the clouds wasn't a problem at all. this was the result. I love it. I love it. I'm super excited. Look the details. I know if you look it so close you can see different mistakes, but anyway, my first drawing with it, I am impressed. These tools are awesome. I'm super happy. And I realized it, my wish, my dream, painting this drawing finally. I can't believe it. I love it. I'm super happy. I love to use it a lot. I am super happy. I am super happy and I am going to use it much more. It's not strange that people love to use it. They are awesome. Thank you, ARRTX. I didn't say the name of the brand. Well, everyone knows it already, but it's ARRTX. I want to paint much more illustration with it, but in other kind of paper because it's too thin. But the experience was great. I am super happy. So I hope you like the video. I don't like at all to promote myself, but I think I have to do it. So you can follow me on my Instagram. My name here is Laramie Art Galaxy. You have the name here. And if you like my videos, you can subscribe. Be careful because YouTube doesn't notify subscribers when a content creator posts some videos, so be careful, pay attention. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.